I go 4-wheel game going broke, bitch.
Miskeen for queen, man. G9B, boy me 90 baby, be the mob. Man of business. Hear me up. I always wild strap, I ain't talking seafield. I stay with a cow, I ain't talking about no milk. I swear these nigga pussy, I ain't talking female. Hey, real nigga be honey bar, I ain't talking jail. I stay shooting shots, but I ain't talking ball. But when I say I cop, I ain't talking about the law. I ain't talking cotton, but you niggas soft. They can't fuck with me, swear to God, I be jugging blocks. Yeah, I hustle a lot, I'm talking pounds of pop. Yeah, I'm strapped up with Glocks, you will get shot. Put a nigga in the box and that will top. Give him a big round, I ain't talking beats ball. Trap nigga, shit hit like fit, nah. Money goes up and down like a seesaw. Something like a sushi waiter, I be moving wall. Run me 90 baby, G9B, we go hard. I always wild strap, I ain't talking seafield. I stay with a cow, I ain't talking about no milk. I swear these nigga pussy, I ain't talking female. Hey, real nigga be honey bar, I ain't talking jail. Careful, everything around me, I'm about to will. Your dog's a bitch, that's a female. With the hands I crack heads like easel. But that thing seafood and you will see cells. Rest in peace to my little cousin Mo Kill. Shit ain't the same, I rescue with him. Many nigga pussy, in they eyes I see feel. Yeah, I got the 40 on me, I ain't talking bill. I always wild strap, I ain't talking seafield. I stay with a cow, I ain't talking about no milk. I swear these nigga pussy, I ain't talking female. Hey, real nigga be honey bar, I ain't talking jail.
We have a one-round battle. Miskeen Queen versus Honest Fool. Miskeen Queen, you up.
Miskeen for queen, 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 Miskeen for casual, everything go with me, hands on paper, Miskeen Queen. Hit a nigga with that thing, I get aim, but it came with a beam. Pop a nigga like a beam, shoot it set like a scene. I'm shooting movies and these bungers coming at you in 3D. Niggas wanting better, I started to load up my heat, but all of my ops dead. Oh yeah, I had a thing. You claim you fresh, but leave your body sitting, it gon' sting. I had you niggas eating off the floor like the sweet. Niggas don't gon' smoke, treating like poke in a Swiss of sweet. You don't know a nigga just because you Googled me.
Okay, Honest Fool, it's on you. Let's get straight to it. Let's go.
I'm just honest, fool. 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 The honest fool, honestly, I'm telling what it is. Gotta get my point across, high point to your head. Don't give a damn about that hater Jesus. I kill you, then walk away like I ain't this shit. And yeah, I play with guns, this hell a kill switch. I take that meal with me like I pack my lunch for a field trip. A fool, but I'm honest, I keep it 100%. Like Benjamin, I got the blower that would make the degrees go less than 10. I'm done, that's it, the end. Honestly,
Okay, give it up for that battle. Get a classic on our hands. Miskeen Queen, the honest fool. Mob.
They don't give me good, won't you back that ass up. Round up applause, booty is the clap up. I'm a big dog, baby, I can tame ya. You be cut me nasty, you tryna be famous. Booty keep going like it got 8 more tugs. Don't stop, get it, don't you come over. Where that ass moving, I must not focus. But I gotta be focused. Shit, a nigga bet the roll up. Later on, after this, my house needs to pull up. Got some cold woods, no, mama thick as fuck. Like 2 midgets in the back pocket, and they got the mumps. Man, I swear that ass fat. Drippin' in the DNA, the was he do that? Can't screw everything around me, I'ma throw some stats. She something like a boomerang, and was he throw it back? Throw it this way, I'ma kiss it like a running back. Work you dancing, I wanna break your back. Lay it flat, that's a fact. Jump off the rope like we in a wrestling match. Fatality, no more to come back. Stand on everything I say, no cap, baby get back. And she knows she thick with it, sorry is that. Go and bend it over, let me smack it from the back. I said baby get back, baby get back, but baby get back, but baby get back. I'm just honest fool, that's a motherfucking fact. Honestly, Miskeen for queen, man. G9B, boss. G9B, mob. Always strapped up, I got sticks like a tree. Speaking of tree, you know I always get weed. Speaking of weed, you know it green like the money. Only 2 sides will not fake, niggas ain't real as they seem. Second letter of the alphabet, I'ma keep it G. Speaking of G's, I'm a G struck with a 9B. Man and business, M.O.B. I be mobbing. Speaking of that, you know it big Morgan T. It's only 2 sides, nigga, with my fake. All my niggas silent, I don't fuck with fakes. If you a fake, nigga, get the fuck away. All my niggas 100, like Ben Frank. True or false, will my fake. It's only 2 sides, nigga, will my fake. True or false, will my fake. It's only 2 sides, nigga, with my fake. I'm smoking good, well that's every day. No skinny nigga, but my name heavyweight. Cancel everything around me, gotta make some cake. Honestly, I'm dedicated to make some pay. Speaking of paper, I got mud in the mailman. Thigh nigga, got mud kissed in Jackie Chan. And I got that thing on me, I don't do no fighting. I'm just honest, fool. Always strapped up, I got sticks like a tree. Speaking of tree, you know I always got weed. Speaking of weed, you know it green like the money. Only 2 sides will not fake, niggas ain't real as they seem. Second letter of the alphabet, I'ma keep it G. Speaking of G's, I'm a G struck with a 9B. Man and business, M.O.B. I be mobbing. Speaking of that, you know it big Morgan T. My side will, nigga, I don't fuck with fakes. Don't fuck with too many niggas, cause most of them snakes. The moment you trust these folks, the moment they change. They catch a case, they down there telling names. Muggety, most of them can't even spell it, man. Don't wanna see me ball, I make them fall like a season change. They gon' end up in a late crime scene, blocked off with yellow tape when I hit them with the heat. Bang on them like I'm in a gang. The G9 beat, fuck whoever hate. All my niggas silent, no shake. I don't trust nobody but Nina and that DOK. That chopper kick just like Miskeen. Always strapped up, I got sticks like a tree. Speaking of tree, you know I always get weed. Speaking of weed, you know it green like the money. Only 2 sides will not fake, niggas ain't real as they seem. Second letter of an alphabet, I'ma keep it G. Speaking of G's, I'm a G struck with a 9B. Man in business, MOB, I be mobbing. Speaking of that, you know it big loyalty. Respect. G9B, MOB, mob. People keep calling, money keep calling, success keep calling. I'ma keep ballin', man of business, MOB. Yeah, a nigga mobbin', the weed keep calling. I smoke like Bob Marley. People keep calling, money keep calling, success keep calling. I'ma keep ballin', man of business, MOB. Yeah, a nigga mobbin', the weed keep calling. I smoke like Bob Marley. Phone stay rolling, people stay calling. Only want me when they want something, nigga stop stalling. Talking that how you been and how they film. I reply like Jim Jones in 06. I'm talking ballin'. I just do me in my own lane. You can't block me. G9 be the movement and ain't no way you can stop it. Nigga won't beef with me. I suggest that they stop it. Better use your head for you fuck around and lose your knocking. People keep calling, money keep calling, success keep calling. I'ma keep ballin', man of business, MOB. Yeah, a nigga mobbin', the weed keep calling. I smoke like Bob Marley. People keep calling, money keep calling, success keep calling. I'ma keep ballin', man of business, MOB. Yeah, a nigga mobbin', the weed keep calling. I smoke like Bob Marley. I bone trees like a fiber in the damn safari. Skinny nigga but buffed up, flexing with the carty. Don't do the clubs, I be cool, I am the party. I'm the shit, now stuff that you find at the bottom of a party. Yeah, I always wear a strap, something like a car seat. I tip whole films with this 50. Built that cheese but never ever been a fan of Mickey. Success all over me, that's why these people envy. Honestly. Fuck love music, this is fuck music. Fuck love music, this is fuck music. Fuck a love song, this a fuck song. Fuck a love song, this a fuck song. I'ma lay your body down, I'ma do your body right. No, I'm not a plumber for something like it, cause I lay pipe. Something like a squirtle, just tryna get a nut. I'm wrong, you wrong, we both know we wanna fuck. You such a woman, but in the seats you such a slut. I want that top notch head, make me speak in tongue. Put the kiss to bit of dots, better have some fun. A meeting in my bedroom, we both gon' come. A meeting in my bedroom, you the first one. Soon as we link, what's happening? No, we won. No TV show, book you down till we cut some. Fucking tell my music, see help with promotion. Body so white and get wet after ocean. I'm a skinny nigga, big dick, do heavy and long stroking. Body he got us hot. feeling like the oven. But I'm energized supreme, so I keep going. Plus I'm off this 100 pack. I must say, a fool, but I'm honest. Won't have it no other way. I get the glove, I'm at to stab you like OJ. Cover your body in whipped cream, treat it like a Sunday. My favorite ice cream, by the way. You always there when I need you, you just one call away. I hit you up like on why this dick, I had a long day. Then voila, magic, you right here in my face. I'ma lay your body down, I'ma do your body right. You know I'm down a plumber for something like it, cause I lay pipe. Something like a squirtle, just tryna get a nut. I'm wrong, you wrong, we both know we wanna fuck. You such a woman, but in the sheets you such a slut. I want that top notch head, make me speak in tongue. Put the kiss to bit of dots, bet to have some fun. And meeting in my bed when we both gon' come. We both gon' come. The sis is A1. I can go all night. This dick is gold done. And it buzz just like James Bond gun. Let's take a break for a second and smoke a blunt. Now give me energy, yeah, it boosts me up. After the weed, then it back to X-rated fun. I'ma dick it down, but I'ma beat it up. Meeting in my bedroom, gonna be ugly when you so up. Honest, fool. Fuck a love song, this a fuck song. Fuck a love song, this a fuck song. Fuck love music, I make fuck music. Fuck love music, I make fuck music.
Wait. Who beat is this?
Hey, what's up?
G9B, Ma, Miskeen for Queen. Get somebody to pop my shit real quick. I don't pop shit, I just pop fat, so you pop cat. I ain't with that. I'm from the mean streets of Dayton View. What you said, something you stood on that. We spit wasn't given, it was demanded. Where I was at, one like when I do such and such, well, I'ma make them mad. I'm a fucking fool, just fooling to the fucking max. Going in my song, floating off that loud pack. One machine gun blow you a couple of y'all's back. Bullets are in your peoples, no contact. Kill 'em with success. Watch me make 'em mad. Straight sitting on 'em. Haters keep me in my bag. I'm dedicated to that money, I'm about that cash. They hate to see you win, so I'ma win and make 'em mad. Been making niggas mad ever since my early days. I'm talking young age. I would never play, but I've been belt paid, and even still to this day. From sunrise to sunfall, yes I be self-made. Can't do shit with no money, gotta make sure my pocket straight. Kill 'em with success, oh I was thinking the other way. When the play get a puppy, don't bring that playing shit my way. Haters, they motivators, honestly, hate motivate. Ain't got no kids that I know of, that's on the way. No BM, but that baby is what I weigh. They hate to see me coming first and they in last place. If you can't help me elevate, get the fuck out my face. Kill 'em with success, watch me make 'em mad. Straight sitting on 'em. Haters keep me in my bag. I'm dedicated to that money, I'm about that cash. They hate to see you win, so I'ma win and make 'em mad. Fuck who feel some type of way, you think I care better attitude? Pockets on grave, y'all from the white faces, and some are blue. I'm in my own lane, moving like I was too. And you wake up crying, just like kids do. I got a killer grip like an angry pit bull. It's just me, myself, my gun, and the G9B crew. And every time we step out, it's a photo shoot. The pigs coming too. Voice of Q. Some iconic shit. I feel great when I feel blue. Don't chase women, chase money. Women gon' come, ain't that the truth? That bitch short hair, thick like Betty Boo. Seen leaving here with me, but came here with you. Tell them what success. Watch me make them mad. Straight shitting on them. Haters keep me in my bag. I'm dedicated to that money. I'ma duck that cash. They hate to see you win, so I'ma win and make them mad. Dayton, Ohio, my hood.
Hey, Lico.
Pardon me. I mean Dayton View, Ohio.
Stupid. Hey, honest man, these niggas dumb as hell, man.
Honestly.
They don't know what the fuck they done done, you hear me? This G not be stupid gang shit, you hear me?
This part 2.
Hey.
Putting waves in the hood,
Stupid.
nigga. Dayton View the B Pacific, but good in the hood, nigga.
That's that DVH music, nigga.
Shout out to the hood,
Stupid.
nigga. Phone stay rolling, I be on the jug, nigga.
Hello.
Call me my kipper pocket. I
Hello.
wish you would,
What they talking
nigga.
about?
I'm from where you get killed if you ain't from the hood, nigga. I'm a hood, nigga. I'm a hood, nigga.
I'm from Dayton View, couple crazy niggas on the paper route. What it do, my nigga? Huh? What's shaking, fool? Yeah. A money making fool with a crazy team that'll put you through. It ain't BTA, what's your ETA? That's foolish. Four boys boot to you. Hey, what's the who scout? Send a dog catcher. Send them killers at you. Might spin the block, I'm a triple threat ya. Hey, what's the who scout? Feed a dog a bone. Might dog your bitch, I'm a mud at home. Better tell a boy, better leave me alone. Real street winner. Yeah. Realest real nigga. Realest. Real money getter. It's me. Meet me up the hill, nigga. I'm at Princeton Park where fool it be a big shark. I'm around. I'm with big dogs. If I squeeze, I bet it bark. Yeah, I earn stripes. Level sitting right. Now I'm sitting nice. I was talking, you kidding, right? RP the kills. Yeah. For you, I give them hell. Yeah. I been hanking round here, name ringing bells. I got us.
Putting waves in the hood, nigga. Dayton View the B Pacific, but good in the hood, nigga. Will recognize Will. Shout out to the hood, nigga. Phone stay rolling, I be on the jug, nigga. Try me my kipper pocket. I wish you would, nigga. I'm from where you get killed if you ain't from the hood, nigga. I'm a hood, nigga. Honestly, I'm a hood, nigga. What it do? This is her nigga, part 2. Put me in the honest food, and I'm still getting low. I'm high as the sky, smoking on Gorilla Glue. I'm from Dayton, Ohio. Dayton View. They see me as a boss, they see you as some fool. You be working for the feds, you get a blues clue. Rest in peace to Momo and Tom, I miss them dudes. And rest in peace my cousin Kelly. What the hell? All about them dear presidents pocket like a cemetery. I don't do no beef, we can chop it up, I just got a machete. But I ain't tryna get bucked, if so I'll go to the library. I'm in love with the money, but my side bitch Mary Jane. Miskeen Queen do it big, no way I can do it plain. I'm different, so of course they looking at me strange. But you like everyone else, I mean y'all are the same. I'm just honest, fool. Putting waves in the hood, nigga. Dayton View the B Pacific, but good in the hood, nigga. Will recognize Will. Shout out to the hood, niggas. Phone stay rolling, I be on the jug, nigga. Try me my kipper pocket. I wish you would, nigga. I'm from where you get killed if you ain't from the hood, nigga. I'm a hood, nigga. I'm a hood, nigga.
Oh, maybe it's Taylor by Joe.
Hey, Lico. Burn these motherfuckers up.
Miskeen Queen, G90's,
All be
Ma.
Ratchet, roll.
All I do is spit facts, but my name ain't me. One thing about me, I'ma get some money. Yo, skip, Miskeen queen, but I'm not little Nicky. I can make haters smile by giving them $1.50. You know me, I stay high, keep some bud that's sticky. I stay strapped, no Tony Yanko, but I'm a wild with 50. Money don't make you will, you ain't don't sit with me. You just a con with some bread, I'ma carve you just. I got guns, but keep a blade like the nigga with me. I'm tryna pass it, let a nigga test me. You got a couple dollars, for that shit don't impress me. I ain't tryna make friends, I don't want none of them besties. The king of walk, ORP of his pussy. I'm a Grammy 90 baby, yeah, I still be off CD. I ain't promoting abuse when I say DV. That's my hood, they in view, I be whipping. And we stepping on shit like the step team. I'll crack your scars, split screen, straight through and greasy, like chicken wings. Then I turn ghost, now you can see me need a scene. Honestly, you already know, man. G9B, Ma. Where the weed smoking at? It smells so special, so nice. Low ass the money white, you could be satisfied. I keep flavors in. You can have whatever you like. I got a type of string, get you high, keep you wild. I got flavors, I'm pretty sure I get what you need. I wheel up in bike and a Chinese woman off the movie. I'm talking flavor, all type of different kind of weed. You can have whatever you like for ATI. I got flavor on the bud, you know that I keep it cleaner than the Dominican for my fit weekend. That's my cologne, cannabis for men. I be chiefin', yeah, you know I keep it. I keep the strongest geekin'. Everything must go like the stud and closing. But ain't shit this way slow. I got motion. Don't fuck with people, cause they fake and they be posing. They hot and hot, I feel about you niggas. Hulk Hogan, guess who everything around me? I'm all about my tokens. Money on my mind, money is the motive. I ain't choose this life, I was chosen. I treat the weed like a bowling ball, enrolling. So special, so nice. Low ass the money white, you could be satisfied. I keep flavors in. You can have whatever you like. I got a type of string, get you high, keep you wild. I got flavors, I'm pretty sure I get what you need. I wheel up in bike and a Chinese woman off the movie. I'm talking flavor, all type of different kind of weed. You can have whatever you like for ATI. From gelato, blue dream, purple haze, OG cuss, that ain't it. And I also get every type of one. Dragon pussy, it's a fiber, be having me gun hammer. But I got to switch things up with the apples and bananas. Me not have to weed, I find it out as a kid, then no sense. I used to smoke weed with no paper back then, I remember. But that was so damn long ago. But now a nigga get it by the boatload. So special, so nice. Low ass the money white, you would be satisfied. I keep flavors in. You can have whatever you like. I got a type of string, get you high, keep you wild. I got flavors, I'm pretty sure I get what you need. I wheel up in bike and a Chinese woman off the movie. I'm talking flavor, all type of different kind of weed. You can have whatever you like for ATI. No life is sweet like candy, and I get the sweet too. For courtesy, the candy shop, I need to get some juicy fruit. I'm 5'7", but dick 7'2". No sucker, but it's suckable. Lickable, rubbable, lovable. I've been wanting you, no more clinical. I'm talking wanting you to forget it overdue. Fuck a love song, I'm in the fucking mood. I spotted you in the middle like Hindu. Been my favorite since back in the day, like candy apples. The love I got for you permanent like a tattoo. Sick dog better attack you. I'm talking about going nuts like castles. Hill pulling ass smacking, yeah it sound good. Dim the lights, play the music, the boom boom boom. Just us two, me and you, better do what we do. I get high blood pressure and I'm blaming you. Miskeen fuck crew. It's a fuck song. G9B, beat 'em all. How to tap man, I need more ink. How to plug up, I need more geeks. Where the hoes at, I need more freaks. Pocket filled up with M-O-N-E, M-O-N-E, M-O-N-E. I've been hustling and jugging all week, 24 hours, I don't get no sleep. Up on my pocket filled up with M-O-N-E. Get the green, get the green. We could go Grammy, queen, what they call me. No motivation money, skinny nigga gotta eat. Hands always on paper. Miskeen, queen ballin', like I'm on the ball team. You not be the all-star. Man, I've been this mobby, I mean that honestly. When a nigga play tough, play like he gon' harm me. I don't care about his hate, but he will be 6 feet. You like 14 days, 2 weeks. I'm like a Kansas City fan, I'ma go cheap. I wasn't gonna get everything, that's my GED. I ain't hurt on phonics, I'm hurt on car. I do buzz, I ping. Bitches on me like some down ink. I bet I can make the pussy leak. All I gotta do is wink. See in love with the long hair goatee. I'm only here for a good time, not a long time, sweetie. Everybody eating, I'm hungry, greedy. Pumping gas all day like BP. Pocket on foot, never on E. Small girl, nigga ain't been know I would kill weeding. Like a grasshopper, I jump on green. Never too much M-O-N-E. I be so fly, get the shit just in my jeans. In my pocket cash money, but no snow my baby. How to tap man, I need more ink. How to plug up, I need more geeks. Where the hoes at, I need more freaks. Pocket filled up with M-O-N-E, M-O-N-E, M-O-N-E. I've been hustling and jugging all week, 24 hours, I don't get no sleep. Up on my pocket filled up with M-O-N-E. I'm getting money, fuck, help you had it feel. I'm at hoes stacking bills, my film ain't where we back no meal. I'ma get it by any means, even if it with the steel. If a nigga get in my way, then that nigga gon' get killed. I'ma ride me 90 baby, M.O.B. this shit will. Whole team flexing, like we body build. And we all grinding, no beat on mixed skills. Yeah, you were getting it, but I'm getting it still. No hate your way, but you getting it real. Nobody wants that old show no more, Seinfeld. Like we playing football, you know I'm out in the field. Getting shit poppin', like some damn pills. People so toxic, why they can't just chill? I be so Boston, left it through here. You know I keep the heat, haters want me out of here. But I'ma do me, stack it up like chill. Not on the same floor, I'm on top, but it's still. The haters can't do nothing but sit there and still. They take it dangerous, when fun go to a field. At least my cousin kill me, I miss you more kills. Guess you everything around me, get the money, down the bill. I was stacking chips, it's legit in the 90's. Watching Keenan and Kill. I be higher than the clouds in the air. Try to better me like putting it on your head. You a lose here. How to tap man, I need more geeks. How to plug up, I need more geeks. Where the hoes at, I need more freaks. Fucking filled up with M-O-N-E, M-O-N-E, M-O-N-E. I been hustling and jugging all week, 24 hours, I don't get no sleep. That's why my pocket filled up with M-O-N-E.
Shacks, nigga.
I get big stress, you gon' beef, you gon' get clapped ASAP. My gun stay bisexual in anything in contact. Niggas better beat it, and I ain't talking my jack. Got my jack, I ain't get it for so until I'm just speaking fast. Little nigga, big guns, yeah I get the work out. Hit a motherfucker with some shit that would take him out. Gun smoke like me, now I stop without a doubt. I just got a silencer, so that would mute the sound. Hit a motherfucker with that thing dead in his mouth. I ain't got no beef, had to let that die down. You would die, and I ain't talking hell coming. I'm not a biker boy, but I bring no choppers round. Now get me out of space, I kill a clown. Like that Hogan flick, the old heads know what I'm talking about. Ain't talking hooping, but I shoot rounds so you will get bossed out. Never trust a bitch, no, that from Charlie Brown. Run me 90, baby, G9 be ill what I sound. 91 Sango, they made that movie for Nino Brown. Bullets to eat your body up, just like child. Men in business, that's the mob. And that's what I'm about. Big stress, you gon' beef, you gon' get clapped ASAP. My gun stay bisexual in anything in contact. Niggas better beat it, and I ain't talking my jack. Got my jack, I ain't get it for so until I'm just speaking fast. With them up from the long nose, let it sneeze on them. No diddy, no homo, but I squeezed on them. Get hit with the Uzi, the Mac, the FN, the pointed. I get straps. Hit a motherfucker up front, lay him on his back. Race for tryna front, I'll wig, gon' get fucking cat. Bar nigga, need a bar head, like you gon' be ass. Like a dead nigga, that's a fucking fact. I ain't the type of nigga that do tip for tat. I'm the type to do something simply and get the strap. In the grinding tight, I get tethered back. I'm a hitman to be wild and out, need me hit my jack. The type of lifestyle you can get to, front no ass. The after life you can get to in the body bag. I'm a dog, big dog, like a fucking lab. I'm just honest, fool. I get big stress, you gon' beef, you gon' get clapped ASAP. My gun stay bisexual in anything in contact. Niggas better beat it, and I ain't talking my jack. Got my jack, I ain't get it for so until I'm just speaking fast. Honestly.